Looking for the best sewing machine in 2026? Whether you're a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or an advanced creator, choosing the right machine can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the best sewing machines you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine with built-in stitch regulation is a versatile sewing machine designed for quilting and general sewing projects with improved precision and control. It features built-in stitch regulation, which helps maintain consistent stitch length even when sewing at different speeds, making it especially useful for detailed quilting work. The machine is built to handle a variety of fabrics and project types, offering smooth operation for both beginners and experienced users. Compact yet powerful, it provides reliable performance for home sewing, creative crafts, and quilting projects while ensuring accuracy and ease of use throughout the stitching process. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine is a powerful and durable sewing machine designed for handling a wide range of fabrics, including thick and heavy materials. It features 32 built-in stitches that support up to 110 different stitch applications, making it suitable for both basic sewing and more creative projects. With 50% more motor power than standard models, it delivers strong performance for tough fabrics like denim and canvas, reaching speeds of up to 1,100 stitches per minute. The machine also includes a convenient one-step buttonhole function for quick and consistent results. Built for reliability and ease of use, it comes with essential accessories and is well suited for home sewing, alterations, and crafting projects. Number 3. Sewing Machine with 16 Built-in Stitches. The Sewing Machine with 16 built-in stitches is a compact and beginner-friendly model designed for home sewing, crafting, and small repair projects. It offers 16 built-in stitch patterns, giving users flexibility for basic stitching, decorative work, and simple alterations. With its 2-speed control system and foot pedal operation, it provides easy handling and smooth sewing performance, making it ideal for those new to sewing. The machine features a portable design that is easy to store and move, along with a built-in storage drawer to keep accessories organized. Number 4. Brother CS7000 Sewing. The Brother CS7000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a versatile computerized machine designed for both sewing and embroidery projects. It features 103 built-in stitches and 135 built-in embroidery designs, giving users plenty of creative options for garments, crafts, and personalized items. With a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery hoop area, it is well suited for detailed and decorative work on a variety of fabrics. This model includes wireless LAN connectivity, allowing easy transfer of embroidery designs without cables. The 3.7-inch touchscreen display provides simple navigation and editing of patterns directly on the machine. It also comes with 8 included sewing feet for different techniques and applications. Number 5. Brother CS2000. The Brother CS2000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a computerized combo machine designed for both sewing and embroidery, offering a strong balance of creative features and modern connectivity. It includes a large embroidery area, up to 5 inches by 7 inches, a wide selection of built-in stitches and embroidery designs, and a color touchscreen that allows easy editing of patterns directly on the machine. With wireless LAN support, you can transfer designs from a computer or mobile device without needing a USB cable, making workflow more convenient and efficient. It also features advanced editing tools like resizing, rotating, combining designs, and adjusting stitch settings, which gives users more control over customization. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one.